If you're seeing a SketchUp unexpected error or an unexpected file format message, don't panic. In most cases, this is caused by a corrupted file, an incomplete download, or even a plugin conflict. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest fixes step by step so you can get back into your model as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and SketchUp tips. First, check whether SketchUp created a backup file. In the same folder where your model is saved, look for a file with the .skb extension on Windows or Mac. If you find it, rename the file extension from .skb to .skp, then try opening that file in SketchUp. This is often the fastest way to recover a damaged model. Next, make sure the file is stored locally on your computer. If your SketchUp file is opening from Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, a network drive, or any synced folder, move it to your local hard drive first. Cloud storage can sometimes interrupt the file while it's loading, which can trigger an unexpected error. After that, if SketchUp itself may be damaged, close the program and run the installer again. When the setup launches, choose the repair option if it's available. This can restore missing or broken program files without forcing a full reinstall. If the repair option does not fix the issue, make sure you are using the latest version of SketchUp. Outdated versions can cause compatibility problems, especially if your file was created or edited with newer components or extensions. Updating or reinstalling SketchUp can often clear up strange Bugsplat messages and file errors. Now let's check your extensions. Faulty plugins, especially renderers, are a common cause of unexpected errors in SketchUp. To test this, temporarily move your plugins out of the plugins folder and restart SketchUp. If the file opens normally after that, then one of your extensions is likely causing the problem. You can then add them back one by one until you find the one that is conflicting. If the model is still not opening properly, try importing it into a brand new SketchUp file. Open a blank model, go to File, then Import, and bring in the corrupted file from there. Sometimes a fresh file environment can bypass a loading issue and let you recover your work. Another important fix is updating your graphics driver. Whether you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, an outdated driver can cause crashes, bugsplats, and unexpected file behavior. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website and install the latest driver for your system. Finally, if you recently installed any new extensions, remove them temporarily and test SketchUp again. Even one bad extension can create conflicts that stop files from opening correctly. By checking the backup file, opening the model locally, repairing SketchUp, updating the app, testing plugins, importing into a new model, and updating your graphics driver, you'll cover the most common causes of the SketchUp unexpected error. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.